Hello, this is the SPM 2018 Add Maths exam paper 2, question number 2. It's given that f of x is 2x minus 3 and g of x is 1 minus 3x. That's what you see here. Part A, we asked to find g of 5. We asked to find m if f of m plus 2 is 1 over 7 g of 5, and we asked to find gf. In part B, we have to sketch the graph of y equals to mod gfx for values of x between negative 1 and 3, and we asked to state the range of y. Dalam soalan ini, kita diberikan fungsi fx dan gx. Mula-mula kita kena cari g5. Lepas tu kita kena cari nilai m jika fm tambah 2 adalah sama dengan 1/7 g5. Lepas tu kita kena cari gf. Bahagian B, kita kena lakarkan graf y sama dengan fungsi nilai mutlak gf untuk nilai x di antara negatif 1 dengan 3. Lepas tu kita kena nyatakan julat bagi nilai y. Okey, julat bagi nilai y bermakna apakah nilai maksimum dan nilai minimum y bagi domain ini ya. Okay, let's start with our solution. G of x we know is 1 minus 3x. So to find g5, just plug in 5 inside here. Okay, kita ganti nilai 5, di mana kita nampak x ganti 5, 1 tolak 15, kita dapat negative 14. 1 minus 15 minus 14, and we're done. Part 2, f of m plus 2 equals 1 over 7 g of 5. So first, let's work out what is f of m plus 2. That means we just plug in m plus 2 in our function f of x. Okay, f of x is 2x minus 3. Therefore, f of m plus 2 will be how much? Just plug in, yeah? Where you see x, di mana kita nampak x, kita ganti m tambah 2 minus 3. And that will be 2m plus 4 minus 3 is plus 1. That's what you see here. Okay? And that is equals to, excuse me. And that's equal to 1/7 of g5, 1 over 7 g of 5. So g of 5 is negative 14. So 1 over 7 is negative 2. So you write 2m plus 1 equals negative 2. Solve for m, you will get m equals to minus 3 over 2. Then to the last part, we are going to find g of fx. So g of fx, what is fx? Fx is 2x minus 3. So we know gx is 1 minus 3x. Where you see x, you plug in what? 2x minus 3. So that's what I've done here for you. If you open this up, kalau kita kembang ni, 1 minus 3 times 2x minus 3. Again, 1 minus 3 times 2x minus 3. This one here will be 1 minus 6x plus 9, and you will get minus 6x plus 10. That's what you see here. Okay? In the last part, we have to sketch this graph here. Okay? We have to sketch y equals to mod gfx. Okay? Mod gfx. Gfx is 10 minus 6x. Okay? This is the graph that we have to sketch. Okay, kita kena lakarkan graf ini. Ini adalah satu fungsi nilai mutlak. Lagipun kita perhatikan dalam simbol ni kita ada satu fungsi linear. Ini bermakna kita punya graf akan berbentuk satu V, ya. Yang kita kena pastikan hanya di mana kita punya V terletak. Okay. Okay, let's come back to this. Y is mod of 10 minus 6x. we're asked to draw this graph for values of x between minus 1 and 3. Now, one way to do it is, okay, when x is negative 1, you plug in negative 1 here. I have 10 minus 6 times negative 1 is 16. So you get y is 16. And when x is 3, you plug in 3 here. 10 minus 18 is, okay, 10 minus 18 is, okay, minus 8. So we have 8. That's what you see here. Good. And then when y equals to 0, that's easy. Excuse me. When y equals to 0, that's easy. Just make 10 minus 6x equals to 0. You'll get x equals to 10 over 6, which is 5 over 3. That's what you see here. So what have I done? I have plugged in x equals to negative 1, found the value of y. I have plugged in x equals to 3 to find the value of y. And I have plugged in y equal to 0 to find the value of x, to see where it cuts the x-axis. Okay? Kita ganti nilai x sama dengan negatif 1, kita dapat y ialah 16. Bila kita gunakan nilai x sama dengan 3, kita dapat y ialah 8. Dan di sini, kalau kita gunakan nilai y sama dengan 0, iaitu kita nak cari di mana kita punya graf ni bersilang dengan paksi x, kita dapat nilai x adalah 5/3. So, sekarang kita boleh lakarkan kita punya graf. Okay, x negatif 1, y ialah 16, ini ialah satu titik. X sama dengan 3, when x is 3, we have y is 8, this is another point. And when x is 5 over 3, y is 0, ini ialah satu lagi titik. Sambung aja, and we get our graph. Please make sure that your graph cuts the y-axis at 10, because on the y-axis, x is 0. So when you plug x is 0, you will get y equals to 10. Yeah. So make sure it cuts the y-axis at 10. That's what I made a remark here. So we are done with the graph. To get the range of y, all you have to do is what? Look at this graph. Okay. Look at this graph. What is the largest value of y? Good. 16. What is the smallest value of y? 0. Therefore, the range is y between 0 and 16. So, untuk pastikan kita punya julat bagi y, kita tengok kita punya graf di sini. Apakah nilai maksimum y? 16. Apakah nilai minimum y? 0. Kita boleh tulis kita punya julat y di antara 0 dengan 16. And we are done. Thank you for watching this video. Please share this video as much as you can. And for more courses offered by the Maths Center, please visit the mathcenter.com. And thank you for watching.